In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create images with AI like if they were taken with a Sony camera. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And after that, you have to create an account. Once you have created the account, you will arrive here. And well, here you can see the result of the Spanish tutorial. So well, now we have to go to the image section. Here we have to go to settings. And personally, I prefer the Model GPT Image 2. Here, I'm going to use the quality medium. And now in reference, I want that the person of the image to hold a camera Sony. So let's upload the image. And now I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. But the important part is this part, where I say that I want that the image have the quality of a Sony photography. So now we have to click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images, and personally I like it a lot. So if you want to do images like if they were taken from a Sony camera, now you have the prompt in the comment section, and remember that you can try Novoads AI for just $1. This is literally less than a coffee, so I recommend you to give it an opportunity. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.